Morning, everyone. Nobody. What's up, guys? Hey, we got donuts inside. Everything's $5 today, and then $1 close. 2 for $80 mystery boxes, and we got some pallets in the back as well. So I think that's it. Please don't drop the donuts in my bins, please. Today is February 25th, Friday. We're having a customer appreciation weekend. Everything's $5 at Nice Find today. And then we're doing dollar close, and we're doing donuts. Everybody's gonna have donuts. We're doing 2 for $80 Amazon boxes. Those are hot sellers. We also have a truck coming in today, a Target or bullseye pallet. Bullseye pallets, what we like to call them. A whole truckload of those, should be 26 pallets. That's gonna be some good stuff that we can show you guys. We have pallet pickups. KK sold those already. Furniture ones we had going out there. What else? It's gonna be a busy day. I have a couple of friends coming. Mr. Rogovic, shout out, is coming over today for some office supplies.
Oh, nice.
What else? Nothing. And then we'll get ready for restock. We're also gonna finish processing that one furniture truck we got and just refill it and get most stuff as humanly possible out on the floor. But in order to do that, we kind of need those pallets picked up first so we can work with the space better. Kim! Comes out back, KK. All right, so quick boxes, 2 for $80. There's no button for us, so use customize if you're on the register. So use custom, do $80. Button for today is Sunday, so $5 all weekend, today and tomorrow. Clothes are $1, so then just use Wednesday. We'll know. There's no point in making 300 buttons on the register. We added stuff to the back. That's the only white one we have as of right now. So if somebody wants it, they can grab it. The brown ones are behind. So anything else that's not one, which is literally just that white thing. No display models, right? Because we don't want to put those shelves back together again. Tell them to grab the boxes. All right, you guys got everything? Knives, tapes? All right, let's open up. The music, no? Come on in, guys. Nice and slow, no running. Your feet leave the ground, you don't get checked out. What's up, man?
How you been?
Jesus.
Grab your donuts, grab a napkin. Hello, welcome.
How can we run? To warm up, you know? I grabbed the
No donuts, no coffee.
No donuts, no coffee? Oh, man. What's your name? Why are you here?
Hi guys, I'm David. Came into Nice Find today to pick up some office furniture. Recently got a new office, so figured Nice Find is the best place to start looking for some furniture. Recently, today I picked up some of these glass floor mats. They're $7 here at Nice Find. I'm good, thank you. Yeah, they're $7 here, but on Amazon they're $110. So we definitely stole a good deal here at Nice Find.
Well, what's your best find so far at Nice Find?
My best find, I found a pair of AirPods here once. Used them till today. They're awesome, great quality. Use them to work while I'm at the office, so it's great.
Nice.
How long have you guys been coming to Nice Find?
Oh gosh, I don't even know how many months we've been coming here. A lot.
Every Friday.
A very long time.
Very long
time.
time.
At least 6 months.
I would say at least like the summer, right?
Yeah,
6 months or so.
Yeah, it's a great place.
How'd you guys hear
Good
about it?
bargains. We've gotten so many things here.
Well, I actually heard about you through Lisa on Facebook.
Facebook?
Yeah.
Best
I
marketing
share the
strategy?
Facebook page, so I've been sharing it with friends.
What do you
and
guys
family.
usually come here to buy?
Well, we don't resell, so we look for things for the family, we look for things for friends, we look for things for us, so I know a lot of people do.
And so
Resell,
best find since you started coming here. Best deal you
deal.
found?
Best deal I found. Well, I bought a huge mirror here, which I love. I put it in my bedroom.
Nice.
I wanted one.
Okay.
So,
How much did it cost?
$7.
So it reminds you of us every single day when you wake up.
Yes, it is.
So true.
$7 for me.
And I bought a lot of nice things for my animals. They have a lot.
the horses.
Yeah, for the animals.
Well, the
Which
dogs.
I still gotta go ride.
Yeah.
You have some
Dogs.
horses?
Yeah, I do.
No kidding, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's
So-
amazing. I just want to go ride it. That's really bad.
Maybe you can come ride your horse
I
for
think
you
he
since no one
should,
else
yeah.
Your nicest find?
My nicest find, I found some things for the iPhone here, chargers, earpods. I found some good stuff. So
much did it
electronic
cost?
stuff. Yeah,
How much did it cost?
$7.
$7.
Love it. $7 deals and steals.
And,
Anything else you guys want to say?
well, we come
to our
every
audience?
Friday. We call it our fun day.
Yep.
Any
You guys always have fun.
shout outs to family, anyone you want to say hello to?
Oh, I
you
know
love
all
that
the
you don't
family that we've dragged in here every Friday. They're not here with us today.
This is where your Christmas gifts come from,
yeah,
right here.
this is where your Christmas comes.
Exactly.
One
This
tenth
is
of the
why we
price.
get you nice stuff, because we $7.
Nice. Love it.
Looking
So-
pretty good in here, right?
Yeah, it's all thanks to you, man, right?
Looks pretty healthy.
Alright, what are we doing, Frank?
Very moment, putting this behind the cash register.
Oh, okay.
Other than that, I'm gonna help all my people.
Just say what you're enjoying so far, man.
What am I enjoying today? I walk in the back, there's donuts back there. I'm going to enjoy those, but I guess I'm enjoying the life.
Yeah.
Hella life in here.
All this life flowing.
Everybody's trying to make money out of it.
Any words for the community? Any thank yous?
Definitely thank you to all you guys who are here right now, who watch this. Words for the community, drive safe today.
For sure. It's been snowing the last couple of days, so. Hey, yo, Frank, you're the man.
Oh, Kamil already sold all the pallets before we even opened today. So
No kidding.
one
He's
of our resellers.
Well, that's why he's on his lunch break right now.
Man's always on break. So we had those sold. We got those in Wednesday. Then Wednesday we priced them out. We got them out here at like 6 p.m. or whatever it was. Sold. So we got one left for $4.50. We had dropped the price. Yeah. So 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 5. Not bad. Not bad for pallet sales.
Weather's not that bad today. I thought it'd be worse.
Yeah, the snow usually kind of hinders things, but no, it's good, man. People love free donuts. That's what it is. Free food. Who doesn't like free food?
I thought Damon was gonna get like 1 or 2 dozen. Shows up with like 5. Bottom
No,
out.
not 5.
No more.
Yeah, 12 dozens. I pulled up to, dude. I had to go to 2 Dunkins. They pulled up to the first one, and they're like, we don't have donuts. What? Excuse me? Like you literally Dunkin' Donuts. Like, what else do you have?
Dunkin' coffee?
Yeah. I did get one. I smacked the large iced coffee before I even came in, so woo-hoo.
On one.
I'm gonna crash. Like 2 p.m. Definitely gonna be a siesta in the office. That's for sure. Truck's in. Frank's directing it around. Sometimes they get a little lost because we're in like a big plaza and stuff. But yeah, it's in. Looks very clean.
Let's go, bro.
How long does it take to unload a truck that's clean with no loading dock?
Think this is gonna be clean?
I'll grab that one first.
Yeah, it should be. But no, I was with some girl. She dropped it on the side of my bed, and I was like, "Go grab that shit." And she was like, "Nah, I got a new one right here." I guess it was.
Dude, I'm eagle-eyed, man. Like, if it has that or that little Apple Store, Google Play logos, that means it's gonna be expensive. Sound machine? Let's see, designed in California, so that's already a good sign. Let's see. 55 bucks. Not bad. I'll take it. So far, so good. Truck looks really nice. Not a lot of Sterlite boxes, but a lot of brand name stuff that we're seeing straight off the bat, which is really dope. You got some weighted blankets, glasses, Hamilton Beach. We got on this one, nothing here that these Sertas, there's like 4 or 5 Serta mattresses right there, and then this is awesome. Intex, that's a really good brand. Keys to try to get brands that people recognize, right? You know, Serta, they're like, people know Serta's mattresses, right? Maybe not Intex, maybe not everybody knows that one, but you know, Apple, right? Stuff like that, obviously. But you know, Rubbermaid, those type of things bring people into the store, and people like them because they're branded, right? They're brands you recognize, and then people know the price of that original item. They know the retail because they've seen it, you know, hundreds of times while they're shopping at these retail stores. They've seen those brands, and they've seen them for 10 times more than what we're trying to sell them for. So, win-win. Bam! Truck unloaded in 38 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you do it without a dock. You guys need lessons, hit us up. But at the end of each truck, we take the BOL. Can't show you guys too much because there's too much information on there. Proprietary. Bam, sign it and give it to the truck driver, and we're all done. 38 minutes. 3 guys, no loading dock. Not too bad, not too shabby. All right, so you guys saw how we unload a Bullseye truck, 26 pallets. Looks pretty damn good if you ask me. But we're gonna get into it in part 2. So this is part 1. Stay tuned for next week's video. We're gonna actually have to take some time and break down the pallets and get in them, show you guys what's inside, what's not inside, so you guys have a general idea of what comes on a general merchandise truckload. And yeah, that should be it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.